Set about half on there, low and mid and high all set at noon as well. Using my Silvertone 1413, and it has a pretty hot pancake pickup on there. Man, you can hear that tank. Bit of a 60 cycle hum on my single coil pickup here, but that is to be expected. The back of the cabinet is closed right now, and that is just the Jensen singing out. With no back pour coming out of there is what I call it. Dig into it, you get that grit, and that's, I think it's about at 10 o'clock on the volume, if you're looking at it like a clock. The reverb switch is included with purchase of this amplifier.